Hello guys, this is Zach Tutorials, and today's video tutorials we are going to look at how to disable USB ports of a Windows computer, and I'm going to show you step by step into detail how to disable the USB ports of your Windows computer. Virus and Trojans normally attacks our Windows machines, and they pass through the USB ports into the machines, and consequently they affect our data in the machines. If you are a computer user, you have to find ways and mechanisms to prevent unauthorized inserting or slaughtering USB devices into your machine, so as to improve your computer security by preventing unauthorized inserting pen drives and other USB devices into your computer. And how can we do this? I'm going to show you step by step procedure how to get that done. And without wasting much of your time, let's start the journey. Firstly, what you have to do is to hold down the Windows key on your keyboard and press the letter R. The run command box will appear, and you type in the keyword REGIT. It doesn't matter whether you type it in caps or in small letters, and click on OK. The Windows Smart Screen will display and you click on yes. When you finish clicking on yes, a window will display containing some folders. You look at it, you see a folder labeled HKey underscore local machine. Then there is a drop down there, you click on it. Come down, you will see another folder labeled systems. You will see another folder labeled systems. Then you click on that drop down, you will see another folder labeled current control set. Click on that one too. Down, you will see another folder labeled service. Click on that drop down too. After you have clicked on that drop down, you have to travel down to a folder labeled USB STOR. USB STOR. The folder can be found somewhere around this place. You have to watch carefully. The folder, voila, this is the folder. Click on it. To the right hand side, you will see some text. Look carefully. To the right hand side, you will see a start written against a blue icon. Double click on the start. A dialog box will appear like this. To disable your USB ports, as you can see, there is already 4. I've disabled my USB ports. In this box, normally it contains 3. To disable the USB ports, replace that 3 with 4 as it is in the box. As you have seen, I've disabled my USB port, so no USB drive can work in my computer. So when you type in the number 4, click on OK and restart. When you click on OK, you are done. You close the window and restart your machine and the effects will start. That's all. You've just disabled the USB ports of your Windows machine like that. And to reverse it, just go through that same process, double click on start again, and replace that same number 4 with 3 again, and click OK. You have reversed the process again. But remember, if you are using a desktop or any machine in which the mouse or the keyboard is connected to the computer via the USB box, via the USB ports, if you try this, it will disconnect the mouse and the keyboard. It will disconnect the mouse and the keyboard. Take note. So after you have finished all the process, close the window and restart your machine and start enjoying. You have disabled all the USB ports in the machine. Thank you for watching, but don't forget to subscribe into my YouTube channel. Also turn on the notification button. Also share so that you can enjoy more videos from me. Thanks for watching.